What it do? It's your girl Shaunda Savvy. I'm back with another video for y'all, and today we're going to be redecorating my office.
Look, make your plans to Shaunda, the online slayer. Leave a comment, sure to welcome all haters. Like or dislike, she still gonna keep it radar and move on to the next. So keep her on your radar.
I know it's been a few months, honey, but your girl's been real busy. So I thank you guys for your patience. This is something that I've actually been wanting to do for a while. I've been wanting to redecorate my room and kind of make it more of my space. I'm not really sure if this is going to be like a compilation or what, but we'll figure that out later. So today, what I'm going to start off with is actually the green wall. I've been wanting a green wall. I know that's something that a lot of people actually do right now, but I don't care. This is my room. So I have been wanting a green wall, so I bought a ton of these. I'll put the link down below of where I ordered them from. It was via Amazon. And so I bought a ton of these. So I did order a ton of the greenery for the wall. And they came with these. So I guess I can like stick this in random places. Kind of give it like a more like 3D pop out effect. And that would be really cool, I guess. Hopefully they all came with that, because that would be cool. Anyways, and then this, a stapler. And I'll put the link in from that. I also ordered this from Amazon. But this is a stapler to staple it. So based on what I've seen, all you really need is a wall. You need the greenery pieces, whatever you're going to put on the wall, and then a staple. So I'm just going to get started and I'll show y'all what it looks like. Let me see if I can kind of like show you the wall now. So this is the wall behind me. So I got some stuff on the second part of the wall, but that is that part. And then y'all, I have so much junk over there, you're not even gonna want to see it. But yes, back to this part of the wall. All right, so I'm gonna get started and I'll put on some tunes so y'all can kind of watch me complete it. Alright, so I have completed the wall. Overall, it took me maybe about 2 hours, and the reason why is I ended up taking a few breaks. I was really trying to figure out how to cut out a bottom piece. It's 5 going across, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like a quarter of them going down. The bottom part, I did have to cut it. Now, I thought it would be hard, but it was actually really easy to cut. So if you can see, like, the flowers are on every cross point. So when you cut it, if you decide to, don't cut at the cross. Cut in between right here. And I just used regular scissors, and it was really easy. So that shouldn't be hard for you. You can definitely cut that. But yeah, so I have a few of them left over. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but up close, if you want to see, this is what it looks like. see that. Also, I have some of these, and I'm kind of getting in a mood to just stick them in random places. Give them more of a... Well, I didn't know they had this in there. What is that? I don't know what it is. I don't know what that looks like. I think I would have liked it more if it was just the leaves. Let me see though. At least see. Does that look so random? I don't know. What y'all thinking? I'm not gonna do it. It just don't look natural. It should be other stuff. That is ugly as ever. Oh my gosh. So anyways, so everything looks really good. What I would suggest y'all is whenever you put two and two together, I know it's going to be a lot of shrubbery, but put the lines together, okay? And then just staple them on top of each other, because it looks a lot better like that. When you stand back, if you keep a distance between them, like let's say you don't force them, you just like sit it like this, you can kind of tell. You can kind of tell when it's on the wall and you're far back, but or when you're close up really big. Overall, I really like it. Let me take these out. Yeah, no, I really like the wall. I'm glad I did it. I bought some shelves, so I'm gonna put those up. I'm gonna keep working on the room now because this room is a hot mess right now. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and the more that I add on into this room, I'll just follow up and do more with you. Bye, good seeing y'all again. Oh, make sure you like, comment, please subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe, so you can follow this journey, and I don't think that's anything else. Have a good day.